if Bollywood was the stock market, whose stock would you buy and why?
Of course, Rajkumar Rao, Vikrant Messi, Ayushmann Khurrana also. ये सारे steady stocks हैं, इसमें invest करके रखना चाहिए. This night was 15 years long for me. If you are saying it's an overnight success.
Unless you're living under a rock, you'd know that one show and one performance everyone's raving about right now. Yes, I am talking about Prateek Gandhi's portrayal of Harshad Mehta in the fantastic Scam 1992. And with me today is the man of the moment himself. Hey Prateek, welcome to Filmfare Spotlight.
Thank you very much for having me.
Prateek, मतलब आपकी life तो just like your character Harshad Mehta has changed completely. I mean, the last 10 days. अभी तक process हुआ है?
नहीं, मतलब I'm trying to process it, trying to feel that this is all real and it's not a dream. But yeah, so much love from the audience is across the world, I would say. You know, and everywhere people have loved it, appreciated it. So it's very overwhelming, man.
No, so tell me, how has the last 10 days been for you? जब से show release हुआ till now, because मैं Twitter पे जाता हूँ, everybody is talking about you, the show, etc. सब लोग आपके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So, how has life changed for you in the last 10 days?
Major change तो ये हुआ है that मेरा screen time बहुत बढ़ गया है. I'm constantly giving interviews on Zoom calls or on online, I mean, lives and all. So there are a lot of interviews which are happening. A lot of people want to, know about the show, about my personal journey also, about me as an actor also. And I had been around since last 15 years doing my bit in theater, regional cinema and whatever. So suddenly a lot of people have suddenly come to know about an actor like me somewhere. So it's a very interesting feel, yeah. It feels that as if it's my first thing ever.
Well, Prateek, as you said, you've been in the industry for the last 15 years. But everybody is calling you like an overnight star, overnight sensation. कैसा लग रहा है? Is it like a bittersweet feeling कि, of course, it's a great thing, but suddenly nobody is realizing that you have a 15-year career behind you.
हाँ, so ये बहुत ही interesting चीज है यार, and I guess that's the fact of the world, the fact of the life, the fact of the industry also. Unless you create your own success story, nobody's interested in you. And I mean, there are no regrets, there are no complaints about it. That's how it works. But it's little weird.
थोड़ी देर I guess success, but ठीक है. I mean, ऐसी
पर वो हाँ ये ऐसे होता है यार. तो लोग जो बोलते हैं कि overnight success, मैंने अभी एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि that this night was 15 years long for me. If you are saying it's an overnight success.
प्रतीक, जैसे आपने बताया, you actually have a 15-year long career behind you. Tell me a little more about your story. The beginning of Prateek Gandhi, the actor.
So वैसे तो beginning ऐसा था that school time से करता था, तो तभी से शायद अंदर एक चीज थी कि ये this is the place where I want to be. Stage is my area of playing. That's where I loved being on stage. Because 3rd, 4th standard में था ना, तब से theater करता हूँ. School में inter school competitions and all. So that worked very well for me. तो मुझे ऐसा कोई एक घटना, ऐसी चीज यार, ऐसी कोई एक घटना याद नहीं है जब मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगा. It has almost become a second nature for me since the school time. But actual journey शुरू हुई प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड में एंटर होने के बाद, which is 2004. So 2004 में इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री और ये छोटा मोटा मेरे होम टाउन का थिएटर एक्सपीरियंस लेके मैं बॉम्बे में आया था. कि अब ये दोनों फील्ड में साथ में काम करेंगे और अपनी जगह ढूंढेंगे, बनाएंगे, कुछ तो सीखेंगे.
तो आपको you wanted to be an engineer also and an actor also?
Yes.
तो एक डिसाइड नहीं किया था?
नहीं, मैं तो बता रहा हूँ ना, मुझे ना मल्टीपल पैशन डिसऑर्डर है.
You are saying that आपने engineering and acting साथ में की बॉम्बे?
हाँ, मतलब मैं सूरत से हूँ, सूरत मेरा होम टाउन है. मैं इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री लेके 2004 में बॉम्बे आया और सूरत में ही जो थिएटर करता था वो एक्सपीरियंस लेके बॉम्बे आया और फिर यहाँ से लोगों से मिलना शुरू किया कि मुझे थिएटर करना है. तब टेलीविजन बहुत बड़ा बन गया था यार 2004, 5, 6 में. तो लगा कि यार दिस इज अ प्लेस टू बी इन, कुछ वहां से भी काम कर लेंगे. बहुत सारे ऑडिशंस दिए, वो नहीं हो रहा था. देन आई हैड बिकम अ कंसल्टेंट इंजीनियर with National Productivity Council. So I was doing freelance engineering projects. of productivity improvement, manpower planning, and all those things, And then 2008 से लेके 2016 तक, I joined a corporate, full-fledged corporate job.
Wow.
और उसके साथ साथ मैंने थिएटर किया, उसके साथ साथ मैंने 2 गुजराती फिल्में की.
Yes. Bepar and
और मेरी
Wrong Side Romeo.
Beyar and Wrong Side Raju. So Wrong Side Raju के बाद 2016 में I had to take a call यार कि अब कोई भी एक ही चीज कर पाएंगे, because दोनों जगह पर opportunities जा रही थी.
Tell me, when you were playing the character of Harshad Mehta is also somebody who's really come from one place and reaches a big milestone, Were there any moments where you were relating to the character with your journey?
Oh yes, his initial journey, his initial struggle, his initial, the way he driven by his passion. I guess that's an interesting correlation in anybody's personal life for that matter, that you are coming from a middle class family, a small town, and then trying to make your space in the mainstream industry, be it any industry.
Pratik, I want to know, one day before the show release, what was going on in your mind? What was the mind space? Anxious, nervous, jittery, very excited?
I was just excited to know the reaction of the world, that how it is going to be received. How have I performed converting a character from the piece of paper to the real life, and which is coming alive in front of your eyes. It is as good as, designing a product and suddenly that product starts working. So you feel like a scientist कि मैंने एक फॉर्मूला बनाया था, देखते हैं फॉर्मूला काम करता है कि नहीं. तो ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग फील है यार. See, थिएटर में क्या होता था कि for the first show, every time you get those jitters, those butterflies in your stomach before you go on stage, third bell के बाद ऐसा लगता था कि यार कैसे होगा, वो nervous energy pushes you, and those 30-40 seconds in the beginning is where you have to get the audience with you. Here we have done our job. Now we have to also wait like an audience. Then I don't know what's going to happen because I'm not going to perform there. So ये बहुत interesting difference है.
Pratik, I saw the show and I can see the amount of hard work which has gone in it. सबसे difficult part क्या था?
सबसे difficult part, of course, वजन बढ़ाने का था, because I had to look like him. और मेरा body frame जो है, body type जो है, बहुत ही lean सा है. And Harshad Mehta's body type is, squarish and a little heavy. So I had to, look like him as far as possible. I mean, we never wanted to mimic him or be caricaturish towards the character. But that was a little tricky part for me. We had never gained weight so much. And I had gained 18 kilos of weight in over a period of 8-9 months. 18 kilo. 18 kilo.
18 kilo.
8-9 महीने में.
मतलब पर वो 8 महीने.
तो मतलब इतना बड़ा पेट. वो मतलब इतना कुछ खाया है मैंने, भर भर के रसगुल्ले खाए, मिठाइयाँ खाई, और मतलब ऐसा सब कुछ खाया जो मैं जनरली अवॉइड करता.
So now, Pratik, I have a fun game for you, and these are all questions based on your show.
Okay.
So, if hypothetically you met Harshad Mehta in real life, what would be that one tip you'd ask him?
Where should I invest?
Correct. Say if Wolf of Wall Street was being remade in India, which Bollywood actor do you think will fit the role?
Ranveer Singh should do it with that,
Yeah, you'll be great. No comparison to you. You were fantastic in Scam 1992. But again, if you were the casting director of the show, and if you had to cast someone from Bollywood, who would you choose?
Maybe Rajkumar Rao.
Fantastic actor. Your show is all about taking risks, correct? Which is the biggest risk you have taken?
Oh, the biggest risk, I just told you, right? Biggest risk that I took is in 2016, where I left my full-fledged, secured career, the job, and got into something like this, which is largely perceived also as uncertain field.
Yeah.
And there is no stability in it. You constantly have to struggle to be there and balance yourself. Yeah. So that's the biggest risk that I took. That too at a time where I had just bought a house, I had a huge loan to pay, and I had a full-fledged family.
But, as your show it's like the best line of the show is "Rishk hai to ishq hai."
Risk hai to ishq hai.
This actually, if you hear this line, which is that one Bollywood personality which comes to your mind? "Rishk hai to ishq hai."
यार आमिर खान, मतलब उन्होंने बॉडी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इतनी बार और इस हिसाब से किया है, वो दैट्स नॉट एन इजी थिंग टू डू फॉर एन एक्टर. एंड दैट यू नो इट्स अ रिस्की थिंग टू डू.
Yeah. Last one. If Bollywood was the stock market, whose stock would you buy and why?
ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सवाल लाए हैं आप. ऑफ कोर्स राजकुमार राव, फिर विक्रांत मैसी, आयुष्मान खुराना ऑल्सो. ये सारे स्टडी स्टॉक्स हैं, इसमें इन्वेस्ट करके रखना चाहिए.
Hope all the filmmakers are listening. And how can you forget yourself?
But how would I invest in my own company? You know, that is my. So मुझे मेरा तो IPO निकालना पड़ेगा कि भाई लोग इन्वेस्ट करें.
Pratik, thank you so much. It was lovely chatting with you, and again, congratulations for the massive success of Scam 1992. Hope to see you much more on the screen.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It was fun talking to you.
Yes. See you soon. Bye bye.